Hear me, guys? Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Hi, Trini. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Can you call me like Srini or Srinivas? Okay. Don't call with the sir. Okay. Call with the name. Hmm. Okay. So the last class where we are in, so we just started how we can create the project and how we need to add the jar files to the project. So we did it right. So anyone wants to share your screen? So guys, tell me, everyone is installed the Java, right? Still they are who are not installed the Java, let me know. You are struggling any issue to install the Java?
Yes, Srini, I installed.
Okay, good. What about others?
No, sir. No
Yes,
install, sir.
You are not
No, sir,
installed,
this
right?
first class. But
You are the first class, right? Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
So, okay, fine. Anyone others? What about others, guys? Please,
yeah,
guys. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
yes. Trini, I'm also installed.
Sorry, come again. You are the first class today?
No, no, no. I have also installed Java.
Okay, good, 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 good. So you verify that command prompt, right? So
Yes,
CMD,
yes,
yeah,
yes, yes.
CMD. Okay,
Command
okay,
prompt
fine.
and version, and then the
Good.
Java also.
Okay, good, good.
But I found one issue, Srini. After that,
Okay.
once trying to that last project, na, like
Uh-huh.
WebDriver, and
Uh-huh.
installing the jar files, and
Hmm.
once I run the application, na, then I
Hmm.
found the issue like the WebDriver command is not found or something like that.
Yes, yes, I understand. You want to share your screen?
Yes, Srini.
Yeah, Sagar, right?
Yeah, yeah, Sagar.
Okay, good. Guys, this is only the first class. Don't worry. Just we discuss about what is the advantages of Selenium, limitations, and all the things. And today is the first class. Okay, like the programming side, this is the first class. Okay. Okay. Sagar, can you share your screen?
Yeah, yeah, yes, Srini. Are you able to see my screen?
1 second, hold on. Yeah, I'm able to see your screen.
Yes, Srini.
So yeah, so what is the problem here? Why you're getting the red line in the top, import org.openqa.selenium.webdriver. So if you're getting this red line, there is something wrong. Okay. Okay, do one
Okay.
thing. Okay, okay,
Yes,
no
Srini.
problem. So put the cursor here in the WebDriver, red line, right? And the come to the public classic. Yeah, yeah. Put the cursor there. Yeah, put your cursor there.
Yeah,
It is saying that say import WebDriver. You can click that one. Just click that one.
yeah. Already I clicked, Srini, on that
Hmm,
same.
hmm. Okay. Let try one more time. So open your project. Let's see. Oh, open that your project. Let's see you have jar files added correctly or not. Okay. SRC.
Okay, okay.
SRC. Hmm. Build path. Configuration build path and
Libraries.
library. Yeah,
Yes.
library. And you need to add this all the things in the class path, not in module path.
Okay, okay, okay.
Got it right?
Yes, Srini.
Yeah, remove that one. Okay, this is all our good experience. Okay, good. Remove this all
Okay.
the things. Then do
Mhm.
one thing. Yeah, select the class path and
Yeah.
add. See, below Java 8, you will not see this one, the class path and all the things. Above the
Okay,
8
okay.
versions, then you will able to see these two things. So always you remember you need to add in the class path. Okay, now
Okay.
add. Okay, now again one more time click the class path, select all, Control A. Hmm. Just apply, open. Okay, apply and close.
Okay.
Okay, done. Now remove that first line. We'll write. Okay, okay. Do one thing. The remove the
Srini,
line. Can you?
actually,
Yeah,
Java is Driver is not in a system.set properties. He is writing directly WebDriver. Driver is a new Chrome driver.
Yeah, but he is initializing, right? But
Yeah,
system, but
initializing.
yeah, but why it is showing? Okay, we can do like that also, but why it is showing? That is what.
Yes,
Okay,
Srini.
can you
Yesterday I write a whole code like a system.set properties also, but I
do
found is
one?
yeah, yes, Srini. Go ahead.
Yeah, do one thing. Come down in your console. What is the error it is showing? Come down.
Yeah, main
Chrome
thread from
driver. Can you yeah? Can you scroll? Yeah, open dot. Okay, do one thing. Remove that one import dot org dot. Just remove that one. I will tell you. Remove the entire line. Sagar, can you remove that line? Yeah,
yes.
remove that.
Which one? This one
Yeah,
or above one?
import. Yeah, above one,
Yeah.
like import org, right? Just remove that one. Okay.
Okay.
Now, can you write import? Write import
Yes, yes.
org dot openqa. Write two lines. Automatically, it will come. Okay.
Yeah.
Open.
Yes.
Yeah. OpenQA Selenium. OpenQA Selenium. Control space Selenium Chrome dot Chrome driver. First, you need to write that one. Chrome dot down below, right? No problem. Take your time. Okay. Selenium dot Chrome. Just write two lines. Yeah, select that one. Remove that star. Chrome driver. Control space. Don't write. You can use control space always. Remove the Chrome driver. Two lines. CHR. Just use control. Yes, good. Because we are writing small and capital, right? Then it will throw the errors. Okay. Yeah, still
Yeah.
you are getting the same issue, right? Okay, do one thing. Can you create a new project? Go to the
Yeah.
new
Yeah.
project.
The yesterday I write the same project, second project I have created, but in this
Hmm.
I got the same issues like this
Yeah,
one.
that is a problem with the things like SRE and all the things. Like create a
Okay.
new
Okay.
project. In the new project, it is working.
No, Srini, because this
Yeah,
is the
okay.
first project and this is the second project. The same project, both projects I got the same issues like this
Okay,
one.
that's Java is okay. Go and create a new project. We'll see.
Okay.
New project. Hmm.
Location and it is not a issue, na? It's fine, na?
No, it's fine. It's fine, right? Like
Okay.
we'll see. We'll troubleshoot that one. Okay.
Need to create this model or not?
Not required. Not required. Do not create.
Okay.
Okay. Now create SRC. Add the create a package. Create a package under the
Fine.
okay. Yeah, fine. It's fine. So under the package, what we need to create, guys? We need to create a class.
Class.
Yeah, we need to create the class. Create the class. Select the public static void main.
Yes. Yes, Srini.
So that is very important. Main, without main, we cannot execute the program. Okay. Now, can you write import in the top?
Yes.
Import org.
So G dot. Uh,
It should not work, right? Because you are not added the jar files. Okay. It should not work.
okay.
So go to the SRC and add your jar files. So make sure that your jar file is extracted correctly, right? Make sure that you are extracted correctly, right? Yesterday.
Yes,
If you
Srini.
doubt, again, you can download and 3.8. Which one you downloaded?
Oh, wait a minute. I downloaded.
3.8,
Yeah, this is the jars. Selenium Java 3.14.
14. You are
Yeah, yeah.
3.1.1. Okay, okay, 4. Okay. Did you extract this one? Yeah. Did you extract it, right? Okay, you already
Yeah,
extracted.
already extracted. Yeah, this is the
Okay.
jars, right?
Okay, okay, that's fine. Okay. You can add these two files to the client. Yeah. Can you add the two files? SRC, build path,
Configure build path, libraries,
configuration
class
build
path.
path. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
class
Class,
path,
class path and
external
add
jar.
jar files.
Yeah,
Add external jar files. Okay.
yes, Srini. Add external jars.
This is second class, sir.
Yeah, this is the second class. Just we started with the programming. Just yeah. So if you so can you write like org dot openqa dot selenium dot chrome driver. The first class I can take you, that is what the selenium advantages and disadvantages. We discuss about IDE, what is IDE and all the things. Okay, but the program is started now almost. Okay, can you write one more
Okay.
line, Sagar?
Yes,
Can you
Srini.
write
Yeah,
one
yeah.
more line? Import org. Guys, if you have laptop, carry on the same way how we are doing. Don't start your working on the same parallelly. If you are new or if you're fresher, let's concentrate on the code. Don't directly jump copy and don't do the copy and paste. Try to understand what we are doing. Okay, we will give you, every person give you a chance so you can work on that area. Okay, okay. Import org.selenium.webdriver, right?
WebDriver.
WebDriver. Yeah.
org dot OpenQA is also required, no?
Yeah, it is required. It is required.
Okay,
These
so
all are reference libraries. You know, if you are not use this one, you cannot write the program down below. Okay, so
okay.
make sure that it should work. Now, see, this is what warning message. I'm not getting red bill. Do one thing, Sagar.
Yeah.
First, you
Yes,
need to
Srini.
set the path. First, you need to set the path. We will go with the systematically. First, what
Okay.
you need to do, you don't create, you do not initialize the object first. First, you need to do one thing. Write system dot you're telling to your browser system dot set property key and value. The next one, next line.
Yes,
No,
Srini.
can you remove one more time? Just remove that line, entire line. Remove that set property.
Yes, Srini.
Mm, so little bit dry. Okay, did you remove that one?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Are you
But
able to see my
still
screen?
yeah, but it is little bit delay. Okay, it's online, right? Not a problem. Again,
Okay.
system dot set property.
Yeah.
See down below key and value. There is a key and value. See
Yes,
guys,
yes, this
interview
one.
question. Yeah, this one. Interview question. What is the key for a Chrome driver? What is key for a Gcode driver? And what is key for Edge Chrome driver? You need to remember this one. Key is very, very important. Okay. Yeah. Select that. Now you need to provide the key and you need to provide the path. The key and path is very, very, very important. How browser will be initialized. Don't copy the code, understand the code, how browser is opening, how browser is when I'm running the script, how the browser is opening. You need to think like that, in depth you need to think. So you are providing the key, valid key you are providing. That is what Chrome driver. And what is the path? You need to give the path. So where you are storing that Chrome driver, right? You need to download that path, you need to give. Okay, can you write the key is double quotes web driver. So what is the web driver dot chrome dot driver? That is the key. You need to remember this key. When you want to initialize the Chrome means you need to remember the key. 5 minutes, guys. You can write the code. Only 5 minutes it will take if you understand properly. Okay. Next, null values. Go to that. Did you download Chrome driver, Sagar?
Yes, Srini.
You remember? Did you
Yes,
download?
yes.
Yeah.
See,
Go to that path. Now you need to give this path. No, not that path. Hold on. See,
okay.
Chrome driver, right? Select the Chrome driver. Right click.
Yeah,
Right click.
yes. This is the
Uh,
path, copy as path.
yes. A
Right?
copy as a path. Yes.
Okay,
Copy as
Srini.
a
Okay.
path. You need to give the path. If you one program you are understanding, guys, the next rest of the programs without my help you can only do. Very easy. Okay. Can you remove this double slash, their extra comma, right? Yeah, remove that. Yeah. And remove the last also.
Hello, sir.
Last. Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Go
Hello.
ahead. Yeah. I'm here only. Go ahead.
Hello, sir.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
Selenium with Java deal, sir. So both subjects.
No, I will tell you here only the web drivers. I will tell you when the Java topic will comes. I will definitely will tell you. See how main will be importance. I will tell you all the topics, but especially I will not take Java as a 15 classes. Okay, we are discussing purely about web driver, and it's a completely real time things. Okay, I cannot like complete 15 days Java. I cannot complete web drivers as a 15 days. Okay, so we are purely
Only.
concentrated only and web drivers. Okay, when the Java topic will comes, we will discuss, because if I tell arrays and all the thing, 15 days will be gone, and again 15 days only you have the time. Again 15 days, if I complete the automation, then it won't be get it. If you really want to go for automation, please join or CoJava. It's CoJava. It's not like 15 days course. Seriously, I'm telling you, if you really want a job, there are a lot of
Okay.
openings will be there in automation. CoJava is required for you with the experts, with the
Okay.
experts, because CoJava is basic one that will be helpful for a future also, not within
Code
1
Java,
month
how
or
many
two
days,
months.
sir?
It will be take 1 month. If you purely want to become a Java expert, like interested on the Java means 45 days it will take. I don't want to go
And
for a classes means at least to see the videos. Durga Soft have a lot of videos, 1,000 videos will be there. Still you are
okay.
not getting that one, then again watch one more time or join the class. When you join the class, right, they will tell you techniques, how we need to create an object, and that will give you confidence. If I in the both, I cannot go with Java and Selenium WebDrive. More the trainers will say that we cover Java part and we cover the automation part, but the initial stage it will be workout, but nowadays they will interview, they're asking all the Java related questions only.
In
So
automation also.
yeah, in automation also, because the fresher is coming and you are also coming, and fresher is saying that I'm good in Java. Now you are saying that I
Okay.
don't know anything in the Java, then who I need to prefer? I will prefer the Java candidate only, because in future, if not only Selenium is another different tool will come, that also Java is required, so I refer that guy only. Okay, so my advice is what, don't think about CoJava is not telling the CoJava. I can tell you CoJava, but I will take 15 days. I 20 days of that things. Again 20 days this one. Again for 35 days for automation. It will very tough to handle for me. So that's the reason what I decided. Purely I will tell you here, web 100% job guarantee will be there. If you practice everything, everything, don't, no doubt at all, you will get it. But Java, you need to prepare yourself. Okay, here in the class, what are the Java content will be there, I will explain you. Okay, what is important for us.
Oh, okay. Tell me, sir.
Uh, Sorry, yeah, I will explain when the topic will comes. Okay, mostly they will ask you object like oops concept. Okay, so they will ask
Okay.
you write a program, anything, write any program, what you know, write a program. They will ask in interview these kind of questions. Okay.
Okay, sir. In manual, any job, sir? Fresher?
Yeah, there will lot of jobs. Freshers you will get manual, right? If you apply the job, you will know. You will let you know. Like definitely you will know, right? You need to apply. If you need to
Okay.
open the Naukri and you need to upload your resume continuously. You need to upload. Then only you will let you know. You will know what jobs are in the market. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. So okay, now you are
Thank you.
creating the web driver. Driver equals to new Chrome driver. New Chrome driver. Use control space. Sagar, use
Yeah, yeah.
control space. So
Yes.
that is very easy for you. No need to by heart. Just you can, yeah. Now you can call driver dot get. Yeah, get. So what URL you want, you just paste it there. Which URL you want, you just paste it there. Okay, no problem. It is asking string. String means what? Always you need to put a double quotes. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Copy any URL and paste it. Your webcam is on. Okay, no problem, right?
Okay, okay, okay.
No problem. Okay,
No.
just okay. That's fine. That's good. Okay. Open the web browser and check the URL. No, no, don't do like that, Sagar. Do one thing. Remove that
Okay.
entire line. Open the open the Google. Copy Amazon.in. Just write any which URL you want to open. Just write the URL. Yeah, I mean open that URL. First check that URL will be working or not, because see that is what automation. If manually it is fail, now you are trying to automation means then it is waste. When we will
Okay.
do the automation, guys? Can anyone tell me when we will do the automation? When we will do the automation? Anybody? When we will do the automation? Repeatedly we want to check the URL. Repeatedly means continuously we need to check that same thing. Okay. Sagar, can you open any URL like gmail.com or anything? Amazon, you are right. Okay. Hmm. Let Google open Amazon site or any site, you just type and paste it there. Open Amazon. Okay. Because this one it will ask credentials. Okay, just open
Yes, yes,
any
yes.
site. fb.com,
Amazon is not
fb.com, fb.com,
Ibiza
Facebook.
account. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Amazon is not working.
No, no, copy that one. Copy that
Okay.
URL. Go to the Eclipse and paste there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, just save it. Control S.
Yeah, sure, Srini.
Run as Java application. Run as Java application.
Yes.
Good. Congrats.
Yeah. Thank you, Srini.
Yeah. Thank you. No problem. See, guys.
Yeah. So yesterday, what is the problem, Srini? It's like a
That is
web
what you
driver is not.
create a project and you added the module path. Again, Eclipse, you know, we are not closing the Eclipse. Again, we are continuously working on that, right? The once you
Okay,
close
okay,
and
okay.
once you open, okay, then it will be get the things. Okay.
Yes, yes,
So
yes. Yeah, okay.
okay,
Thank
try
you,
this
Srini.
one.
Thank you.
Okay, no problem, no problem. It's my job. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah, it's my job because we even initially stage we face all this problem, because now you never forget this issue because you never
Yes,
add
yes.
into the module path. So when all the
Yeah.
issues will come, right, that is all our lessons. So it is very helpful for us. Okay, guys, this is
Okay.
what how we need to launch the Chrome browser. What I'm doing here, simply I create a project. In the project I'm creating the package. In the package I'm creating the class. So in the class, in the package, what src in the project, what I'm adding, web drivers, all jar files I'm adding. Okay, based on that I'm writing the code here. What I'm writing, see, I'm just importing the two things. Import org dot open. You need to by heart, you need to know this one, because in interview they will give you simple white page, write a code. So if you copy the paste and writing here means in interview you will not able to write the code. So always remember, you need to understand what I'm writing here. Import org dot openqa, okay, openqa, and openqa selenium dot chrome driver import.
Sir, it's
Yeah,
common for everything.
yeah, it's common for everything, but you need to change that. If suppose gcode driver means, you need to change the gcode driver. Firefox dot firefox driver. If edge means edge dot edge chrome driver. It's very
Okay,
interesting, guys, very
we have
interesting.
changed only browsers.
Browsers, and you need to change the path value here. The path value is need to change. This path value
Okay,
is,
for URL.
yeah, url you need to change. URL, not this one, value, that where you downloaded that one, right? That you need to change,
Okay, got
and
it,
as
got
well
it.
as, yeah, key also you need to change. Okay.
Actually, this is my first class, sir. I just want to know about what is the WebDriver and IDE, all those things.
Yes, we will discuss one day for that one. See, just hold on. This yesterday, like last class, what we exactly discuss is ID means what? Integrated development environment. It's a plug and play. So you can just record your script by using of record and play. Okay. So 1 second, I will show you that one.
Okay, Shrey, can I stop my sharing?
Sorry. Yeah,
Can I stop
one
my
second.
sharing?
Sure. I'm just recollecting the class one more time. Is it clear, right? This one is, anybody have any questions on how to launch the browser? This is very important, guys. Still no problem, you are still in confused, again we will work out on that one. Okay, but I want the 14 like what are the numbers here that they should need to work on this program. Okay, yeah. So first of all, when you start automation, they will ask you the first question. Can you define what is the difference between manual testing and automation testing? So what is manual testing and what is automation testing? Can anyone? Manual testing means what? And automation testing means what? Can anyone tell me what is the differences? What is manual testing and what is automation testing? Can anyone share your answers? What is manual testing?
Manual te- manual
Go ahead,
testing
go ahead.
is
Hmm.
manual testing is the cases which are executed by support teams or the tool support teams or the members are is called manual testing, sir.
Hmm.
And
Yes. Hmm.
automated testing is the testing which is done by sir programming, like writing the coding for different cases is known as automated testing.
Yes, good. So guys, you need to answer, you need to express your things. The interview is, they will expect you your answers. Okay, so you need to tell, you will not sit quiet. Okay, whenever if anyone asks you a question, you need to answer, whether it is right or wrong, that is the secondary part, but you need to answer it. Okay, so mainly what is the manual and, can you mute yourself, someone? Okay. So what is the manual testing and what is automation testing means? You can simply say that manual test cases are executed without support from tools or a script. I'm not executing without any tools and without any script. That kind of testing, we can call it as what? Manual testing. Okay. When I'm talking about automating testing, automation testing means it might be any tool like a Selenium or any other automation tools. Okay, automated testing means what? They execute with support from the tools and script and software. Okay, so whenever you're using some tools and softwares, that kind of testing, we can call it as what? Automation testing. Okay, the first question in interview, freshers, can you define what is exactly manual testing and automation testing? So you need to have an answer for this one. Okay, and coming to the Selenium. Okay, Selenium is what? Generally what we can say, that Selenium is what? We can say the Selenium is a suite of software tool used to automate the web browser. See, just now we automate what? Chrome browser. Just now we automated what? Chrome browser. So we can
Sir, it is for,
automate.
sir, it is for only web browsers only. It's working.
Yes, right. Without web browser, how I can automate? Tell me. So I require, suppose your application will be in where you are launching your application. Your application is launching in where? In web browser only, right? So if
Yes.
your web browser will, if you are automates the web browsers only, then only I can do automation, right? Without the browsers, where I need to automate the things? That's a good question, but you need to think with it's only for a browsers means yes, we are launching the browser. Once the application is launching, just now we launch the Chrome browser. Based on the Chrome browser, next we are automated each and everything, drag and drop, and selecting the checkbox, counting the links, click the buttons, drop down. You are selecting the fields from the drop down. We will automate all the things. Where you are doing all the things in web browser. Understanding, right? The Selenium is a suite of software tools to use to automate the web browsers. I can automate the Chrome browser. I can automate the Gcode driver like Firefox. I can automate the Edge Chrome. Understanding, right? So we can simply say that Selenium is a suite. It's not a single one. It's a suite of the tools to use it to automate the web browser. Okay, this is a history of when it is come and when is the this one. But always remember, now latest version is what? 4. Okay, but do not use immediately 4 because we don't know whether it is stable or not. So still the people are using to start now. So better you always use the 3.8 3.9 versions. Okay, so where I know, sir, all the things, where I know all this Selenium, where when it is started, when which versions and all the things, always you need to do the reference site selenium.dev. Okay, this site is very important. Okay, always you need to go for this site. This is what reference site for you. Whenever you want to learn more and more and more and more, you need to open this site. Okay, I don't want to depend anyone. I want to see self-learning is very important. Self-learning means what? I'm telling some example. I cannot give lot of examples, right? I cannot tell an entire the project in 1 month. The people are asking, can you please tell the live project? Do you think that live project will be done in 1 month? Some people are very smartly they will ask, can you teach live project? What is live project? Tell me, you tell me what is live project. I don't know why they're asking this question. Why? What is live project? Can I give my live project? No one will give you a live project. We will tell you what exactly is happening in the industry and what is happening, because we are working on, currently we are working, right? So we know what is the problems and where it is happening. We can tell you very live examples we can give you. Live project setup means, again, we need to give, like, it's not be like 1 month or 2 months. It will take a lot of time. We need to design the frameworks and all the things. Okay, so always refer this site, guys. Always whenever you are programming, writing, right, you can keep this this URL separately. Okay, selenium.dev. See here, what is the definition of Selenium? It's Selenium automates the browsers. So what interview question? Now what browsers you are automates? Then you need to tell that I can automate the Chrome browser, I can automate the Firefox browser, I can automate the Gcode driver. How? Now you can explain all the things, like just now what we done in the program, right? You need to explain all the things. Okay, when you tell this definition, you need to explain them also. That is what your confidence. When you know that, when you get the confidence, you need to do the practice. Without practice it won't come. Okay, so where we know that when it is started and all the things, see downloads, go to the downloads. Here the latest stable version, see here they say that latest stable version is what? 3.141.59. so most of the people who are going an experience level, they always remember what version we are downloading and all the things. Okay, because there are a lot of compatibility issues will be there. So make sure that which version you are using. So the latest, the stable version, not latest, the stable version is what? 3.141.59. But still your organization say that go and previous versions. Where I can see the previous version? See, this is what previous releases. So this is what previous releases. Can you click this one? So previous releases you can able to see. Still there is a previous releases. Click here. See, if you don't know this one, you are going with 4 years fake experience, then your lead says that download 3.8. You will lot of confused there. Where I need to download? Your colleague is not there. You are panic. So when you learn the stuff, learn proper way. Okay. So if your lead say that download 3.8 or 3.5, just you can come here and you need to download the web drivers from here. So web drivers is started from 2.39. Okay, and next it will start at 3.83. More stable versions are 3.8. So alpha, beta, we know, right? What is the manual testing we done with alpha testing and beta testing, right? Alpha. So it's not be still it is not stable one. Once the alpha is done, everything is done. 4.0 they release, but it is not still stable. Okay, stable means what? There are some known issues will be there. If you use that also, some issues will come, but we cannot resolve that issues. Okay, because why? You know, right? What is the disadvantages of Selenium? Can anyone? What is the disadvantages of Selenium? Tell me, guys. What is the disadvantages of Selenium?
We won't test the desktop application.
That's good. We are not testing the Windows application, that one, and there is no vendor support. It's Selenium is what? Open source. What is meaning of open source? There is no vendor support. If I'm buying any license or any product, if I'm facing any problem, so whom I need to contact? I raise a ticket, and that ticket will be gone to the organization, then resolve the issues, right? But here the Selenium, if I got any issue, I cannot call to the support center, right? So it's a open source, it's a free source, like you can download and you can work, but we always depends on the communities means there are a lot of communities in the Google. If you find any issues, right, just copy that error and paste into the Google, and you will get the solutions for that one. Hey, I also get the same issue, I did like this. I also getting the same issue, I did like this. So they will tell you like that based on the communities messages we need to work, because we don't have any vendor support. So if you face any issues, you cannot call to anybody. Okay, so that's the reason Selenium, if you want to become a Selenium expert, means a lot of practice is required, not like copy and the paste the code. If I copy the paste the code, it will execute. You think that I got a Selenium, I done the Selenium. In an interview, they will ask you simply write at least one code, then you will put a blank page there. If anyone asks you write a program, right? Yes, give me, sir, I will write the code. Give me the paper or what, where I need to write the code. Such a way you need to there when you go for an interview. Ask me, like any question, ask me, I'm ready to tell. Such a way you need to practice, then only you will get a job. Don't compare with others. He got a job and I will also get a job, means I cannot assure that you will get a job. We don't know what luck and what he prepared, you don't know, right? Then you will, why you are comparing with others? He got a job, yes, he might be practice well and he luck will be favor and everything will be work on that area. Okay, you are not trying anything, but you are trying what? He got a job, that is what your problem. Your concentration is what? He got a job, but you never ask how you got a job. You will ask only how much your package. The first question, your friend got a job, means the first question, what question you will ask? Hey, mama, how much your package? You will ask. Don't ask package, automatically it will come. Salary, it will automatically will come. You can ask what type of interview question they ask, how many rounds it will be there. Mama, can you please help out me to prepare the resume? Then the other person will have the interest. Don't worry, mama, I will take care of you. The first question is only you are asking how much you are getting the salary, means then people will be get somewhere, right? I cannot able to answer for that question. Okay, how much you are getting and all the things. Don't ask salaries anybody. Okay, so that is very, very important, right? So the Selenium, there are 4 components. These are very, very important. Fresher level question. For experience they won't ask, but fresher level definitely they will ask you what are the components of the Selenium. There are 4 components: the Selenium IDE, Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver. So we are working on where? Selenium WebDriver. What is Selenium IDE? What is meaning of IDE? Selenium IDE means what? Selenium RC means what? Selenium WebDriver means what? Selenium IDE. What is meaning of IDE? Integrated Development Environment. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, which is plugin. It's not download one. Plugin means what? Extensions. You can go and add your plugins to the browser. Okay, for the web browsers. Okay, defaultly they're introduced Firefox, but after that they're separately given the plugins for each and every browser. So where I can download this Srini, then you can go to the Chrome browser. ID Selenium IDE. Okay, right, Selenium IDE for a Chrome. Simple, yeah. No need to depend on others. Simple, I can go here and I click here, and you will automatically get this IDE extension. But because I already added, right, so that's the reason it is asking remove from the Chrome. I added. If I'm not added, add to the Chrome, it will come. Add to the Chrome. Okay, what is IDE? So what is meaning of IDE? What IDE will do? This allows to us record and play the script. I don't know any programming knowledge, but I want to see how automation will be works. So in that case, I can use the IDE. Just click the IDE. This is, once you click the IDE, it will be open like this, and it will ask open the create a new project, or open an existing project, or close. So I'm going with a new project, right? Create a new project. Okay, A B C. Okay, now what is the today's date? Okay, give anything. Okay, so now which URL I want to automate? Which URL I want to automate? Okay, Amazon. Okay, copy this one. Okay, give this URL into this ID, playback URL. Okay, so now what you can do, you just, there is a record button. See, are you able to see the record button, right? You just click the record button. If you click the record button, automatically your web browser, like Amazon site, will be open. See, Amazon site is open. Now I'm doing the smoke testing. Smoke testing means what? I'm checking the links are working correctly or not. Okay, now I'm stop the recording. One second. It is asking, can you give me the test case name? Okay, what are it? You can give that name. So this is what actions is done on the, see what I then open, maximize, click, mobile I click, and again some more clicks will be there. Today deals I click. So these are what the browser will be captured. Okay, now if I want to run this one, see, if I run, automatically it will play. See, I'm not doing anything, the browser will be launched automatically. Now it is start doing the clickings. So take small site. Okay, while you are doing the IDE, while you are working in IDE, you need to take the small things. Okay, not bigger ones, because sometimes it won't be work as expected. Still it is not showing that something wrong. Again, I need to take the new recording. If I open, it will be break. See, this is the error. Mouse over is not happened correctly. Again, I'm trying. It not captured correctly at that moment. Again you need to record, and again you need to play. Okay, so otherwise you need to stop that one. So you cannot customize these things. Okay, so that case you need to write one more time. So still it is going on, but I open, right? Do one thing. Again I will take one more time. This time I'll take do one thing. Leave this one, go to the new one, create a new project. But now we are not using this one anything. Okay, don't worry. Okay, QW Amazon.in. So it depends on your net speed and all the things. Okay, now start recording. Okay, no, this URL is not good. 1 second. Do this one. Try to create a new one. So you need to do like practice on this one. Okay, it will be work. This URL I'm not getting that currently. Okay, that's fine, no issues. We can do that one. So ID is what? Just we can record and play. Okay, just you need to give the URL correctly URL, and you need to work on that URL. Okay, so that is very very important. Make sure that it's a plug and play. Just record and play. Just you need to do what? Record and play. Let's try the last time. Okay. Okay. Before that, you can close this URL. Not loading. Now I'm recording. Okay, just maximize. Wait for to complete load. Okay. So now this is showing that recording, right? What we done. Recording is also important. Now future all will come. Record. You are thinking that recording is easy. No, you need to understand functionality. You need to understand the scenarios in the real time. You need to understand the functional flow of the application. Then only it will be work. Okay. Now I'm running this one. So in my case, it is not working because I use as a full screen, right? Might that is the problem. Okay, try from your end. Let me know. Okay, it definitely 100% is it will work. And try and let me know. Okay. So this we need to do what? Record and play. Just we need to record the things and you need to play the things. Okay, so that is what IDE. Okay, mouse over it is getting failed because I hidden the toolbar and all the things. That's the reason it was having a problem from your end. You can try and let me know. Still you are not getting, then we can work out on this area. Okay, but in interview question they will ask you what is IDE means. You need have an answer for this one. IDE is nothing but what we can say that integrated development environment. It's a plugin for the web browser. It is allows to record and play the script. Okay, it is the easiest framework and therefore developer need to switch RC to advanced testing cases. Like see, RC means what? Again, RC means what? RC stands for remote control, which allows to develop to code in their preferred language. Why Selenium is crazy? I'm not standing by one language. I can, if I know Python, I can go with Selenium Python. If I know C Sharp, I can go with Selenium with the C Sharp. I know Java, I can go with the Java. But most of the companies, most of the projects are in the Java only. So organizations are looking for the Java and JavaScripts and all the things. Okay, so mostly of the organizations are looking what Java or a C sharp, like .NET projects all are or we are working the C sharp. Python is now it is started in the market, but take any language, that language you should be a expert. You cannot be expert in all these areas, right? Java, C sharp, Python, then our age will be gone. So you will become only take one area. Just take the Java, make a co-Java. I'm expert. Co-Java, I'm good in any question Java related, I can answer it. So you can make it as a one as an expert. Then other areas it is very easy. The same logic, same thing. Only syntax will be changed. Only syntax. Okay, here we are calling as what? WebDriver. Here we can call it as what? iWebDriver. Understanding, right? The code is the same. Click is anywhere click on. In Java also you can say click. In C sharp is also you can say click. In Python also you can say the click the button. But the syntax will be little bit change. Okay, And very important thing is what? Selenium WebDriver. This is what we are using. You asked me, right? Someone is asked, right? So it has been implemented throughout the browser specific driver. See, now recently, just now we launched the Chrome driver, right? A browser specific driver. For every browser, there is a specific drivers will be there. For a Chrome driver will be there. For a Gcode driver will be there. For IE driver will be there. For Edge Chrome driver will be there. It has been implemented. WebDriver is implemented throughout a browser specific driver. So interview 100% they will ask you, can you tell me the browser keys? Like tell me what is the Chrome browser key? What is the Chrome browser key, guys? Can anyone? What is the Chrome driver key? What is the key for a Chrome driver? Anyone? Just now we write the program WebDriver.
Driver Chrome.driver.
Yes, absolutely. Good. So that is what you need to understand. See, this is what WebDriver Chrome driver. For Gcode driver, what is the key? WebDriver Gcode.driver. Just you need to give the path. Like Edge Chrome, you need to do the Edge Chrome also. So IE, what is the IE? WebDriver.ie.ie. Sorry, WebDriver.ie.driver. So you need to specify the value, like key. You need to give the key and as well as the value. Okay, interview, no doubt at all, they will ask you. If you simply by heart, it won't come. You need to understand system.set property. I want to launch the Chrome browser, so I need to provide what key? I need to provide the key. And I want to launch Firefox, like Gcode drivers. So don't say the Firefox we can use what? Gcode drivers. Okay, so I want to launch the Firefox. What in interview? What is the Gcode drivers? So they will ask you. So Gcode drivers, if I want to launch Firefox, I can use the Gcode driver, and I use the key like WebDriver dot Gcode driver dot driver. You need to explain like in the interview. Don't excited and don't panic and don't read fastly and don't tell all the things. What question is answering in interview? Only you need to answer it. Don't say import org dot openqa dot selenium dot webdriver. Don't say all the things. He is not asking all the things. He is asking how you will launch a Gcode driver and what key you are using. He say that what key you are using. And if he asks only one line answer, means you need to tell only one line answer only. You need to say that WebDriver dot and Gcode dot. What keys you use to launching the browsers? Can you explain? Yeah, generally we use like the keys like while I'm doing the scripting. So you need to tell like experience, guys. Generally we use like scriptings like we use cross browsing like Chrome and Firefox and Edge Chrome. We are using the Chrome for Chrome dot WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver for a Chrome browser, and for a Gcode driver like Firefox browser we use WebDriver dot Gcode driver dot driver. So you need to explain like that. Okay, don't like by hearting and don't tell like you are just learning and coming and telling like that. Okay, so tell your experience. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so that's the reason WebDriver. So this part is very important. It has been implemented through browser drivers. It is usually does not depends on any JavaScript. Okay, and Selenium communicates with the browsers to control RC. Like RC means I told you, right, multiple languages, paper like Java and C# and Python and Ruby and all the things. And Selenium grid. So this one they will ask you an interview question. What is the Selenium grid? Selenium grid is used to execute a parallel test with Selenium RC in multiple browsers. Okay, means run the server test at the same time with the different missions, running with the different missions and operating system. Okay, so you can say that we are currently not using the Selenium WebDriver. Selenium grid. We are currently using the WebDriver. You can skip that this question directly. You can say that we are using what? WebDrivers, because Selenium Grid is what we need to influence the servers and hub and all the things, okay, node and all the things. So no one will use this one, okay. We will not spend that much of time. So all the organization looking what productivity, the time is important, how much time you're taking and how much quality of work you are getting, that one they will check, okay. So for the fresher level, they will give the chances for implementation of a Selenium Grid and all the things, but experienced people will not do because there are a lot of time will be there. Okay, to but in case they ask you what is the grid means, you can say that run the server test at the same time with the different missions running with the different missions and operating system. Okay, suppose my script want to run Windows, Mac and Linux, so I can use the Selenium Grid. Okay, so in that case we can use the Selenium Grid. But what is the advantage of Selenium? So this question is 100% they will ask you, they will check you what level of your understanding of the Selenium. So what is the advantages and what is the disadvantages? Okay, what is the advantages? Advantages means what? Selenium is an open source. It is an open source. There is no license cost for use it. So you cannot buy this one. Okay, you can open source means anyone can download and anyone can use. Okay, the Selenium IDE, what is called Selenium IDE components provide the access to the Selenium suite, record and playback features for non-programmer. I'm a non-programmer, I don't know anything on coding. In that case I'm not stuck, I'm simply go to the site, I'm using IDE and applying the IDE and recording and play the script. Okay, but there is a lot of disadvantages will be there in IDE also. I cannot customize the code, I cannot write as like me, okay, as like required. Okay, so in that case they avoid the IDE. The Selenium Grid helps to in parallel and distributed testing. Okay, most widely used the programming languages I told you, right? Java, C Sharp, Ruby and Python. In or US mostly they use Ruby. Okay, India then mostly the lot of things will be Java will be there. Okay, once you get into the job, might they will ask you C Sharp. Okay, now they will ask me Python and all the things, but it depends on the organizations. And it support most popular browsers. See, it supports what? Selenium, it support Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer and Opera and Safari. What is the limitations? This one they will ask you an interview question, no doubt at all. Can you tell me what are the limitations of the Selenium? What is the disadvantages of the Selenium? Pros and concerns, like what are the limitations? Okay, what are the limitations of the Selenium? Selenium only supports, see, try to understand this one, web based applications only. It is not support the Windows application. Guys, can you tell me what is the difference between Windows application and web application? Can anybody? What is the difference between Windows application and web application? Tell me guys, what is the difference between Windows and web application?
Web
Yes, sir. It's a
application
Windows
running
application.
on server. Okay.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Windows application running on local machine only, and web application running on server.
Yeah. So, anyone wants to tell? Anyone wants to tell?
Yeah, Windows application is standalone machine. No
Yeah,
one can
Windows.
access that.
Yes. So Windows mission means like exe, like executed will be there. You need to install in your PC, means that will be works on only in your PC. It won't works in other PCs, right? So standalone systems or desktop applications, we can say that Windows LAN, local area network. Within that organization required some project, not outside of the organization. Then in that case, I cannot go with the web, right? I can only go for Windows. Okay, suppose Durga wants to accounting and all the things, so Durga wants some software within that organization only, LAN, LEA and local area network. So in that case I can go with Windows applications. Okay, exe file will give that exe file install in your laptop means or a PC. It will only works on your laptop only, won't work in other PCs. Okay, when you're talking of web, www, world wide web. So when you're done any web application, right, anyone can access in anywhere. Okay, you can access anywhere. Okay, remotely you can also access. But Selenium is only supports for what? web-based applications. This point is always you need to remember. The mobile apps cannot be tested by using of the Selenium. I cannot test the mobile apps and all the things. The Selenium as another family, that Appium will be there. That is what mobile testing for Android and iOS. Okay, that is also very interesting course, but you need to have a lot of patience. Okay, the mobile app cannot be tested by using the Selenium. Okay, and you cannot test the capture and barcodes. Okay, you cannot test the capture. The capture means what? There is a barcodes will be there, right? Product, there are a lot of products will be there in the product. The back end we will see the barcodes. That barcodes we cannot read by using of Selenium. And one more, the thing is what? Report can only prepared by using of third party. See, where we can see that output only console, means we are not seeing in any report kind of formats. So Selenium, like if you use the Selenium, we cannot see the reports. Where we can see the reports, if you use any third-party tools like TestNG, you need to install the TestNG and JUnit, Xstance, etc. So if you use these all the things, then only you can see the report format. And Selenium is a free tool. Okay, there is no vendor support. Suddenly I got a problem, so whom I need to contact? Suddenly I'm stuck. So you need to contact with your senior person only, who is having expert and who having the knowledge on the Selenium. But you cannot directly call to the support center. There is no support for this one. Okay, the user is expected to keep programming knowledge before. See, if you want to become experts in this one, with knowledge also we can do, but you need to know what I'm doing and what is class, what is the object, what is the method, what is the string. You need to know at least one. Okay, the user is expected to keep programming knowledge and before. And many challenges with the IE browser. We can launch the IE also, but there are a lot of challenges to browser. So these all are what limitations and advantages. Okay, so this is what they will ask you in interview. Can you explain what is the advantages and what are the limitations? Okay, Selenium WebDriver language supports. You need to know all this language. Not required to learn all the languages. You are an expert in one language. The other one is very, very easy one. Okay, Java, C Sharp, PHP, Python, Perl, and Ruby. Okay, so take any one language. Okay, that language should be should be expert. Okay, and what are the WebDriver browser supports? See, IE, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Chrome, Opera, and HTML unit. This is the interview question. HTML unit driver. Headless browser. What is headless browser? So without browser, we can execute the script. That is what HTML unit. Headless browser. No doubt at all. They will ask you, can you explain what is headless browser? Without browser, can you run the script without the browser? Yes, you can by using of HTML unit driver. Okay. Selenium WebDriver operating system. So Selenium will support Windows, Selenium will support Mac, and Selenium will support OS, different OS and Linux. So we can, some people are using Linux operating system, some people are using Mac, or some people are using Windows. If the people are using Mac, and the path setting and all little bit different, but code will be the same. Okay. Now configuration of the Eclipse. What is the Eclipse? We are writing the code in where? In Eclipse, right? So what is the Eclipse? Is the editor where I need to write the code. I know what is the Selenium now and where I need to start my program. So where I need to write the code. So most of the people are using the Eclipse is the editor. You need to download the Eclipse, and once you download the Eclipse, you need to download the Java. Okay. Once you download the Java, go to the command prompt, make sure that Java is installed correctly or not, you need to check. Okay, Java version. So you need to check Java version, what version you download. So 15 is what my version, and you need to set the path. Path is very, very important. Interview question. How can you give the path? How can you set the path? So how can you set the path, guys? Can anyone want to tell this path? How we need to set the path? How we need to set the Java path? Can anyone? Go to this my computers. Go to the my computers, right click, properties, interview question, guys. advanced system settings, go to the advanced system settings and click environment variable. In the environment variable, there is a user variables will be there and the system variable will be there, and create what the Java home, and you need to give the Java path. Okay, once you give the Java path, you need to set the path also. Okay, so what is the path? Go to this path. Previously the system is already have default path. Go to that particular path and just click the edit and give the up to bin. Okay, you need to give what? Bin. Okay, Java same path, you need to give the slash bin. Okay, so that path is very very important. If you're not set the path, so path means you just give the slash and bin. Okay, that you need to give. Okay, so make sure that if you are not set the path correctly, that your code is not executed correctly. So most of the people are failing to set the path. So path setting is very very important, because we need to work with the Maven project. In the Maven also we need to give the path. We need to work in different things. Might be most of the things you need to set the path. So interview they will ask you how can you set the path. So how can you set the path means you need to tell them, go to the PC, this PC or my computer or a computer, right click properties, see the navigation, advanced system settings, and environment variable, and you need to set the path in where? In the system variable Java home, and you need to give the path also. Okay, so you need to give the path. So if I want to write a script, what are the requirements? I need to download Eclipse. I know I need to download Selenium WebDriver. Where we need to download the Selenium WebDriver? We already seen that one, right? Go to this website. You need to go this website, download the WebDriver. See here I'm downloading the WebDrivers. Eclipse I downloaded, Java is downloaded, and what is need to do? Add the jar files. Just now the class before the starting one, we added the jar files to the project. How we need to add the project? Go to the file and new project, Java project, and create a package. Under the package, create the class. Under the class, there is an src, right click and src, build path, build configuration path, and libraries. In the libraries you need to add the jar files. What else you want, tell me? So anyone can write the code. What are the, but you just go with the practically you need to go. Don't jump here and there. So practically you need to do that. Okay, understanding, right? So still who are not installed the Java, please guys tell me correctly. If you install the Java and all the things, then we can slowly will go to the programs. Okay, our job is very easy. But you are not done the Java installation and you not done the at least one program, then it is very tough to you. Okay, I want to be, everyone should be practice. Okay, everyone. Okay, I don't want to skip. See, my job is what to complete this course within 30 days. I can complete, not a problem, but I'm not a commercial guy. So please do, everyone install all the things and please practice all the things, then only you will get it. Manual means you can time pass it, but automation means you need have a lot of practice is required. Now tell me, everyone is installed or still people are need to install the Java?
Need to install, sir. I will do.
Yeah, please do. And if you still have any or you are not able to do that one, let me know. Okay.
Hello.
Um,
Hello.
yeah, go ahead.
What is the version, sir? Java 15. Huh?
Yeah, you can just now latest one is 15, but you can download the 8 also, but you can go with the latest one, not a problem. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
But do
Hello.
that itself. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
How to download jar files?
That is what we discussed, right? Once you go to this site, right, just download the WebDriver. When you download this WebDriver, right, and you need to extract this file. Okay, once you extract this file, once you extract the file, just open the Eclipse. Once you open the Eclipse, and when you are creating the project, right, src, right click, build path, configuration build path, libraries. Under the libraries, you need to add the jar files.
Okay.
Understanding, right? Got it, right?
Yeah.
Try from your end, but don't jump. Okay, don't see this and that. You will be confused. Go in only one way. Just whether I'm adding the things or not. If you fail, also not a problem. Okay, if we are not able to do that one, then it's a great. We have a time and we can do that one. Okay,
Okay.
but do yourself. Don't depend on others. Okay, don't. Oh, no one will tell you in the real time, so you need to do yourself only. Sometimes your manager asks you to install the Java, you need to set up the path, so you need to take a initialization for that one. Okay, you need to only download all the things. Okay, if someone will come install, then only I will write a program, means it won't be work out. So take a chance. This is the chance. If fail also, not a problem. See, you asked me, right, where I can add the jar files. So go to the project. Okay, arrow mark. See, this is an arrow mark, right? You can expand this one. Okay, it's not responding, and I click multiple times. Okay, so in SRC, you can in SRC, right, in right click. This is very important question. Okay, uh, right click, build path, configuration build path. Still, it is not responding. Okay. Okay, build path, configuration build path. Interview, they will ask you guys. Configuration build path, libraries. In the libraries, add external jars. You can add all these things. See, 3.8 I downloaded. See, this is what extracted. I downloaded from where? Selenium Java.3.80. Where I download this one? Anyone? Where I download this one? From where I need to
Selenium
download
dev.
from this one?
Selenium
Selenium
dev.
dev. That site you need to download. Okay, please remember. So once you download this one, you need to extract. Any of the students, what they will do, they will double click and they will add it this one. Don't do that one. Okay, extract. You need to always extract the files. Extract means what? You know what is extract? Go to that folder. Selenium very 3.8. Again, there are a lot of stuff in my system. Again, I got confused. Okay, do one thing. See, right click, build path. Always remember build path, configuration build path, and libraries, and add this, add external jar. If you right click here, extract all, extract here. See, extract here, extract all. So if you click here, then you automatically you will get this folder, WebDriver 3.8. So based on this folder, you open this one, you add these two client files, as well as you need to add this all the files. Okay, and remember one thing, once only you need to add the jar files in the project. If suppose you can add multiple classes, you can use, okay, you can use multiple classes, but whenever you create a new project, 100% you need to add what? Jar files. Okay, the people will confuse. Again, they're creating a class, right? Again, I need to add or not. So remember, whenever you create a new project, in the project, what you need to add? Jar files you need to add. Without the jar files, you cannot write the WebDriver and all the things. Okay, so do one thing, guys. Please, today, what is your task is what? Every day I will give you the task. Please complete the task wise, so then it will very helpful for you also. Okay, so install the Java, install the Eclipse, and download the WebDriver. Tomorrow I will ask you everyone individually to tell the code for launching the Chrome browser. Okay, and I want a documentation from you, not like a system. Okay, once your code is done, please make the documentation. So how you are writing, how you are adding, how you are navigating, each and every one, make a documentation. I can send the notes, don't worry about the notes, I can send, but I want from your side documentation. So what you are doing and what you are importing and how we can create the package, everything you should make it as a documentation. Okay, take your heading, take a wordpad, launching the Chrome browser, and what I'm doing, importing the two things. What are there? Import.org.selenium.webdriver, import.org.selenium.chrome.chrome driver, and write your code. And I want to see from you, for everyone, every individual need to do the documentation. Okay, people are running in the system, closing the laptop, and they will do the other work. The next day also the same confused. Put paper and pen, then you will mind will be activated. Definitely, you somewhere you will stuck. Somewhere your mind will ask, hey, what is this? What you are writing? So you are questioning yourself. What is this? So always make it as a documentation that will be very helpful for you. In interview they will ask you write a program in simple you can write, because you are already making a documentations right for everything. So that is very easy for interview. If they ask you write a code, yes, I'm ready to write. Simply import space org dot openqa dot selenium dot chrome driver. So the documentation part is very important. Okay, no sir, I don't want to write all the things. Don't worry, I'm not forcing you. I can send it all the documents to you. Okay, but my suggestion is what, once the code is done from your end, please make a documentation, at least a notepad or a word pad. Open that one, what you are trying to write, just write on that notepad. Okay, we'll see tomorrow the rest of the session, how we need to launch a Gcode driver and Chrome driver and IE. Okay, so please be ready with all the setup. Okay, don't setup is not also done. We will see tomorrow. Okay, any question guys? It's a purely interaction sessions. I want to be everyone to be speak and everyone to be talk and everyone to share the screens. Okay, don't say that I'm using mobiles and all the things. Everyone should share the screen, one day, one person. Or if you are willing to share your screen, let me know. Srini, I want to share my screen, so we can directly give the permission. This is very good platform to share the screen, discussing the screens, and discussing the things. Okay, again and again. Thank you guys. We are totally running out of the time. I'm sorry, 13 minutes we take extra time. That's fine. Guys, anybody, any questions? Anybody?
No, Srini. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. We'll see on tomorrow. Be ready with your
Yeah.
setup. If time not possible, not a problem. We'll see tomorrow. Okay, thank you guys. We'll see
Thank you.
tomorrow.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.